Sending Bitcoin from your Atomic wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to send Bitcoin securely to another wallet. Open Atomic Wallet. Launch the Atomic Wallet app on your device and log in using your password or biometric authentication. Select Bitcoin. In the main wallet interface, you will see a list of assets. Tap on Bitcoin to select it. Tap Send. Once you're on the Bitcoin wallet page, look for the Send button. Tap it to begin the transfer process. Enter recipient's address. Input the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Make sure the address is correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. You can either copy and paste the address or scan a QR code. Enter amount to send. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in BTC or the equivalent fiat value, depending on your preference. Set network fee. Choose a transaction fee based on the network speed. Higher fees lead to faster transactions. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details. Tap Confirm to authorize the transaction. Enter your password if prompted.